Hi, this is Aaron with Traveling Flamingo, and today we're in the Blue Mountain, Ontario region, which is just outside of Toronto. We're going to be touring one of the rooms at the Blue Mountain Inn, and we'll be giving you our thoughts on whether or not this is a place you should stay. All of that coming right up. The Blue Mountain is a large ski area with a wonderful little village area providing year-round activities, things like zip lining. They've even got a roller coaster and lots of great little restaurants and stores that you can visit. So we're going to be touring a room in what's called the Blue Mountain Inn. That's one of the many different hotels on property. This hotel was built in 1981, and it's one of the original hotels that they had here, modern hotels that they've had here. We are also on this channel going to be showing you all about the Blue Mountain Village area, and we're also going to be touring a few other hotels, including the Westin Trillium House, which is located on property. Those will be coming up in other videos, so if this interests you, definitely suggest you hit the subscribe button. I will pass it back to me from the past, back when we were staying here, to give you a great tour of the room. And after the tour is done, I'll be back and we'll give you a summary of the thoughts that we had on the room, how it was to sleep in, and anything that we would provide as tips. All of that coming right up. This is room 305 in the Blue Mountain Inn in Ontario, Canada. I'm going to give you a quick tour of the room, show you what it's like if you ever stay here. First off, no map, so I can't show you where we are in the building. On the right from the entrance is the washroom. Now, it's somewhat small, as you can see. Not a very large washroom. On the right, you've got your shower. And then left of that, of course, a toilet. Then left of that, you've got your sink, vanity, and a little place to store stuff. Over on this side, you will see there is extra toilet paper, tissues. Over more, you've got your sink. Above that, you have a hairdryer. And then a bit further in, you've got soaps. Now, continuing, going out from here, you've got this door. This door is a closet. However, it is not the biggest closet in the world. So hopefully you packed light. Now, Blue Mountain is an area for skiing. So over here, you have a great little place to sort of hang your clothes. Place for ski poles or boots, I guess, or other such things. Got a mirror on this wall. And this is the main room. So I'll show you what the room's got. As you walk in, on your left, you have a little seating area, which is great. There's a little power outlet underneath there also. Phone next to the bed. Over this way, you've got a little area for your coffee. So there's a Sunbeam coffee maker, and it does come with Starbucks coffee. And then down here is just storage. Quite a fairly large storage area. This is again the Blue Mountain Inn in Blue Mountain, Ontario. You have quite a bit of power. You also have a HDMI jack. If you bring something like a Chromecast, fairly large TV, and quite a bit of storage down below, which is quite nice. Further on from there, you do have a air conditioning unit on the wall, and of course a refrigerator. Fairly big refrigerator, quite cool, works really well. So no complaints on the refrigerator. Looking back, again, there's the TV, washrooms in that door at the back there. That's the little closet. Left of that is the door in and out of the room. Seating area, bed. And again, next to the bed, you also have power outlets, which is nice. And I'll show you our view. Not the greatest view out there. Got an air conditioner, but that is Blue Mountain. And for those of you who say that is not a mountain, you'd probably be correct. It's part of the escarpment, but that's what we got here. So I'll show you back. this is the room. And I will pass it back to Aaron from the future to give us some more insight as to what we think about the room. Thanks for watching. So one thing we did want to add is these rooms are pet friendly. However, it is 1 pet per room. So feel free to bring your pet, and there's a bunch of different areas. We'll get to it in the resort tour, but there's areas where you can let your dog, you can go for a walk, or there's like a little leash free area as well. So that's a nice little ad that they have at this hotel. So overall, the room was nice. We enjoyed our stay there. It is a little bit more of it feels a bit more like a Holiday Inn or like one of the smaller motels than it does sort of a high-end resort, but it was very nice. There's a lot of pros that we liked about it. The shower had a door. It wasn't just one of those plastic curtains, and really enjoyed that. They had lots of great outlets throughout the entire room, so you could plug in everything you needed to. The HDMI ports on the wall actually worked. It's not all that often that those things are included in a room and they don't work. The room also fairly large size. The price was great. It was fairly cheap in terms of being able to go there. Great for people who are either on a budget or kids who are going up there to ski. You know, great place. It's located right at the foot of the mountain, so you can get right on the mountain and start skiing whenever you'd like. Some of the things we didn't like, however, the rooms did feel a bit old. They felt a bit dated. The floors and so forth, the carpet was pretty worn, really kind of needed a refresh, and it was a bit of a thicker pile carpet, so it doesn't always feel very clean. A lot of rooms are going to sort of like a hardwood or a tile. It was less premium. As we said, it did feel like a Holiday Inn or a Best Western. There was a bit of a walk to the main village area. It would probably be about a 5 to 10 minute walk to get to the main village area. So you're not as directly connected as you are with other hotel chains at Blue Mountain. But you know, all in all, we really did enjoy our stay. We also did want to say that we were here during COVID. They didn't have the remote in like a little plastic sanitized bag, and it was quite dirty, so that we weren't a huge fan of, and the closets were ridiculously small. The other thing I didn't like was the door to the bathroom didn't fully close, so it was always kind of awkward getting in and out because you had like this 3-inch gap, 3-inch, you know, door that you had to navigate around, because it's a fairly narrow door also. The room was very comfortable. It wasn't very noisy. You didn't hear your neighbors. You didn't hear a lot of noise coming from outside, so you can sleep pretty soundly. Lots of space to store everything. And overall, we really did enjoy this room. We're going to be having more videos about the Blue Mountain area. If you liked this video, we wanted to give you a bit of a tour as to what is in Blue Mountain, what does the village area look like. We also were going to give you a tour of the Westin Trillium House, which is another resort right here on the Blue Mountain property. It's a bit more of a premium resort, but we wanted to show you the differences and sort of walk you through the main village area. So there you have it. We hope this video has help you make a decision about how you spend your money on your holiday, to give you a bit of a view as to what the rooms here at the Blue Mountain Inn are like. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up. If you didn't, feel free to give us a thumbs down, although we really hope that you did. Please give us a comment in the comment section if there's something you want to see, or if you agree or disagree. Again, let us know in the comments, and happy travels.